To create a medical study notebook in NotebookLM, start by opening the platform and signing in using your Google account. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create New Notebook. This will serve as your dedicated workspace for all your medical study materials. Next, give your notebook a clear and specific name. For example, you can name it based on your subject, such as anatomy and physiology, pharmacology review, or microbiology notes. A well-named notebook helps you quickly identify your study focus, especially when managing multiple subjects. After creating your notebook, open it and begin adding your study sources. Click on Add Sources and upload your materials. These can include lecture notes, PDF textbooks, research articles, clinical guidelines, or even pasted text from your study materials. NotebookLM uses these sources as its knowledge base for answering your questions. Once your materials are uploaded, organize your study approach by focusing on specific topics within the notebook. For example, you can separate concepts mentally or through different source groups such as anatomy, pathology, or pharmacology. You can then use the built-in chat feature to interact with your materials. This is where NotebookLM becomes powerful for medical studies. You can ask it to summarize complex topics, explain difficult concepts in simpler terms, generate study outlines, or even create practice questions for exams. As you study, you can save important answers or summaries as notes within the notebook. This helps you build a personalized study guide over time, all based on your uploaded medical resources. If you are studying multiple medical subjects, it is recommended to create separate notebooks for each one. This keeps your information organized and prevents mixing unrelated topics. Finally, continue updating your notebook as your course progresses by adding new lecture materials and refining your notes. And that's how you create a medical study notebook in NotebookLM. Create a new notebook, add your medical sources, interact with your materials, and build a structured, AI-assisted study system to support your learning.